In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Zoom invite link in Google Calendar. Open your web browser and head to google.com. Make sure you're signed in to the correct Google account so the event lands on the right calendar. At the top right, click the Google Apps grid icon, then choose Calendar. We're going to manually add a Zoom link, which means you don't need any add-ons or integrations, just your Zoom invitation details. Once Calendar opens, start your event. Click the Create button and choose Event. This brings up the event editor where you'll add all the key information. If your Zoom details were sent to you by email, now's the time to grab them. Switch to your email, open the message with the Zoom invite, and highlight the entire invitation block. Be sure to copy the Join Zoom meeting link, the meeting ID, the passcode, and if you want to include them for phone participants, the dial-in numbers. Copy everything in one go so nothing gets missed. Go back to Google Calendar. First, give your event a clear title so it's easy to find later, something like Zoom meeting or the specific topic of the call. Next, paste the Zoom invitation details into the event's description box. This is the best place to store the full invite because it keeps the meeting link, meeting ID, passcode, and optional dial-in numbers together in one spot where attendees can easily find them. Take a second to skim what you pasted and make sure the link is complete and clickable. Now set the date and time of your meeting. Double check your time zone if you're scheduling with people in different regions, and confirm the start and end time so reminders and availability are accurate. Keeping this precise helps avoid overlap and ensures your attendees see the correct time. When everything looks good, click. Your event is now on your calendar with the Zoom link attached in the description. If you later need to update the link or correct details, simply reopen the event, adjust the description, and save again. For clarity, you can also reference the meeting topic in the title, which makes it easier to search. That's it. You went to Google Calendar, created an event, added the Zoom link, and full invitation details from your email, set the date and time, and saved. This simple manual method keeps all the joining information in one reliable place, so you and your attendees can get into the meeting without hunting for the link.